Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of downloading a planner into GoodNotes. So let's start. First, to access the planners, you can click here and it will lead you to a Dropbox link where you can find two folders for horizontal version and vertical versions of planners. To download it, you just click here and wait for it to be downloaded in your iPad. You go to Files and unzip the folder. Click on the folder and you will see both folders for vertical and horizontal. I'll click on the horizontal version to do demonstration and just select the planner you will have. I will choose this one. After the planner has opened, locate the export icon and click on Open in GoodNotes. Then click on Import as a new document. Quickly you'll see the GoodNotes app open and you can see the planner in your GoodNotes app. As you can see, it's very easy to upload it. Thank you for watching and happy planning.